Imagine this, if you will. You're in your car, you're with your family, your friends, your beautiful hot girlfriend, your lovely wife, and you're taking a scenic road trip to your favorite vacation destination. Everything is going perfect. It looks like a commercial. Good vibes, good music, good times. And then all of a sudden, bam! Flat tire. Car problems. It overheated. What do? Oh, Casey, help, help, I need help. First of all, shut up, all right? Remain calm, cool, and collected because nobody wants to panic. And you as a driver have to remain cool under pressure because if you lose it, everyone loses it. I can't tell you exactly what to do, but what I can do is tell you exactly what to keep inside your car to help you possibly get out of your sticky situation. And that's exactly what we're gonna be doing right now. I'm gonna give you guys essentials, what to keep in your glove box, what to keep in your trunk to make sure that you get out of your problems right now. Oh, Casey, what am I? Yes, I'll tell you. Come with me. In emergency situations, there are certain essentials that you need inside your car. These are what are found inside my glove box. Starting off with a power bank. Maybe you have no energy on your phone, so you need to power up with a power bank just in case things really get bad and you need to call for help. No one wants to call for help. If you're a real man, you can get out of the situation on your own. Next up, of course, we have the wires that connect to your power bank, or it might connect to your car. Of course, this is a USB to a whatever type of phone that you have. And make sure that you plug in the USB on the first time because nobody wants to see a man fumbling around with this, right? Just plug it in. Next up, we have a map. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a map and they do still exist. Maybe you don't have any power on your phone. Maybe you don't know where you're at. That's when the map comes in handy. Oh my gosh, we're so far. That's how you read a map, guys. It also could be doubled as a tissue if you're really just scared. Like, oh gosh, oh gosh, what are we gonna do? Let's all hug. And last but not least, this is probably the most important. You need a flashlight because what happens when the lights go out? Everybody freaks out, everybody gets scared. Now you become an instant hero if you turn on the lights. Click, click, lights are on. And nothing spells a man in charge than a man with a flashlight. Now I know what you're thinking. Wow, Casey Montero keeps a really clean car. That's true. But the real stuff is hidden under here, magic. Ta-da! All right, this is the nitty-gritty, the gravy of the mashed potatoes. This is what you need to get out of an emergency, or at least help you until you can be saved by somebody. Let's start off with water. You need to hydrate, always hydrate. You can dump this in your car if you've overheated, or you can actually drink this if you need to hydrate yourself. Now, you can last without food for about 20 to 30 days, but with water, 7 days tops, you're in trouble without this. Next up, when you start working on your car, you're gonna wanna use these. These are EWDs, or early warning devices. You set these up, of course, in front and in back of your car, wherever traffic is coming. Because remember, people, there's a lot of people out there that don't know what they're doing. Next up, we have the ever so important jack. That is right. This thing right here is the muscle that's gonna pick up your car. You need this whenever you decide to change your tire. Of course, that comes with some tools like a wrench, which is also used to remove your lug nuts for your spare tire. Remember, your jack ain't jack if you don't have a spare tire. Your spare tire should get you at least to the nearest gas station where you can fix it, or to your dealer where you can actually get a regular tire. And let's not forget jumper cables. These are very, very important in case your battery dies, not only for yourself, but also for other people. Let's say you see a damsel in distress and you want to help her out. Bring out your jumper cables, because these will get you far. I mean, well, they'll get you to jumper car. That's basically it. After that, it's really up to you.